How are you doing? Just great, Gina. Another day in paradise.
Jenny! You're late! I can't! You have to be up at 5, so hurry up!
Yeah. Chin up, Jen. One day, make enough money to quit this job and leave this damn place. That will be the day, Gina. That will be the day.
Gentlemen, attention, let's have a warm welcome for our Arizona beauty, Jenny. Woo!
What a night. I need a beer. I need a bed. I'm exhausted. Everything okay, Jen? Yeah, it's just... Never mind. Hey, what is it? You can tell me. It's just... this. Is this the way am I going to live for the rest of my damn life? You still got friends, no matter what. Hey, come here. Everything's gonna be alright. Okay?
How about that beer, huh?
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Whiskey.
Hi there, stranger. You want to have a good time?
Who's she?
She is busy right now, but I can help you.
If you want to keep a pretty face, answer my fucking question. Who is she?
Jenny. Her name is Jenny.
Thank you, sweetie. Maar last.
Hey, what's wrong, Gina?
Nothing, Jen. I'm just a bit tired, that's all. There was a man asking for your name.
Is he nice and handsome?
Well,
Is he or not?
how old is he? He's a bit older, but Jenny, I
What?
don't...
If he is rich, I don't care.
Jen, he is
Rich? What does he look like? Or, where is he now?
whatever. He's at the bar, in a fancy suit with gold watch and gold rings.
I mean, he's pretty cute. A bit old, but cute.
Jen, what are you doing?
I'm going to have a little chat.
No, Jenny, you...
Wish me luck.
That's an ass piece of ass. You must be Jenny. A friend told me.
Did she?
Yeah, at first she didn't. I guess she didn't want to share.
Oh, didn't she? Well, that's too bad for her. Hey, Gina, wait!
What?
What's the matter with you?
Me? What's the matter with you?
What the fuck, Gina? Is something bothering you?
Yeah, there is. The way you acted with that rich dude?
Oh, you mean the one you wanted to keep for yourself?
What? I would never, ever!
Yeah, sure. You were all over him, but he didn't want you. He wanted me.
Jen, did he tell you that? Those are lies. Fucking lies. Did he also tell you what he did to me? He put his hands on me, Jenny. He was going to hurt me.
Yeah, sure. News flash, Gina. You are a stripper. People will try to touch you. I thought we were best friends, Gina. Well, that was the fucking lie.
Jen!
Jenny? Are you okay?
I just feel so miserable. I just lost my best friend and I don't have a place to stay.
Well, guess it wasn't the best friend after all.
Guess so.
If you want, you can stay in my place.
Can I?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Name's John. John Levi.
French round is quite normal. Let's fish. Hey, John.
George, Lisa, how are you?
Doing good, thanks. And who is this lovely lady?
I'm Jenny. It's very nice to meet you. And you too, miss.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you, Jenny. I am Lisa and this is my husband George.
Hey, why don't you join us?
That's an offer we can't refuse.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Lovely to join us.
Yeah, thank you. I love this.
John, whiskey
You remember.
and champagne for the ladies.
Only the best champagne out. Don't you think, Jenny?
Oh, yes, please.
So John, how is the oil business?
Well, business is as usual. But what about your business? Didn't you have trouble in the Middle East?
Well, you know what they say. You can't beat them, buy them. And that's exactly what I did. I bought them all.
I guess you did.
And now the business is doing great.
Men and their business.
Once they have started, it never ends.
But I saw something blink. Is this what I think it is?
Yes. We're engaged. We'll be getting married in a couple of months.
Wow, soon a married man.
Yeah.
That calls for a toast. To a great friend and his beautiful bride-to-be.
Thank you.
Cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. The good whiskey, great businesses, and a beautiful lady. You are the most beautiful girl in the world. Ready to become Mrs. Levi?
Ready as I will ever be.
Give each other the right hand and say your vows.
Hi, honey. I'm home.
Yeah. And you're drunk. Again.
Just a couple of drinks. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come.
John, you stink of booze.
So you want to fight? Do you?
John, please, no.
So what do you want to do? Huh? Come on. Do it. You don't have the guts. You like that? Oh! I gave you everything. Show some fucking respect. Clean this shit up.
John! Jenny! Hey! Long time no see! What's it been, a year?
David. Yeah, it's about a year.
Yeah, at your wedding! I remember that! I mean, who wouldn't remember your beautiful wife in that dress? What a stunning bride you made, Jenny!
Thank you, David. That's so nice of you.
So, how did you guys meet?
Well, we met in this,
I met her at a club. She was a whore.
John! John! You can't say that.
What? That she was a whore? She was. She was a whore. Dumb, Jenny.
John. Stop it. John. Stop it. You are drunk. We will go now. Sorry, David.
Yeah, right. You don't boss me around. Don't forget where you came from. And who put you here?
Babe?
Yeah?
Can I get you a drink?
Usual. So you want to fight? She was a whore. Don't forget where you came from. And who put you here? You don't have the guts. Thank you, babe.
Enjoy.
So sorry for your loss.
I told you, Jen. Everything's gonna be alright.
It's hard to be alive when you're not here. It's hard to be alright when you're not here. I feel the misery, I feel the jealousy, I feel everything I didn't want to feel.